Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure your model or layout is active and your units are correct. This matters for scale and measurements. Next, type line or select the draw menu to invoke the draw command, press enter to confirm. Once started, enable object snaps like endpoint and midpoint so your points lock exactly where you intend. This reduces rework. Also, set ortho or polar tracking if you want straight horizontal, vertical, or angular constrained lines for cleaner geometry. Now you execute the actual drawing. Click once for the start point, then click a second time for the end, press ESC to finish the line, short and effective. For complex shapes, choose polyline, rectangle, or circle and follow the command prompts. You can specify radius, center, or opposite corner. If precision is required, type coordinates directly, absolute for global positioning, or relative with an @ sign for offsets. Make sure to switch grips, or use trim later to refine joins and intersections. To finish, press Enter or ESC to exit the draw tool and then save your file. Use incremental saves so you can revert if needed. Once done, clean up with trim, extend, or join to remove overlaps and make continuous polylines. Zoom extents to inspect the entire drawing for stray segments. If points snap incorrectly, make sure OSNAP is enabled, verify your UCS orientation, and if problems persist, restart AutoCAD. Often that clears lingering mode conflicts and
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.